Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties on HubSpot. Custom properties allow you to capture and organize exactly the data that matters most to your business, making your CRM work the way you need it to. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to follow along. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your main hub for all CRM activities. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon in the main navigation. Click on that gear icon to access the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options that control how your HubSpot account functions. Once you're in settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Under the Data Management tab, click on Properties. This section houses all the fields and data points you can use across your CRM, and it's where we'll be building your custom property. Next, you'll need to choose which object type you want to add this custom property to. Click the Select an Object drop-down menu and choose from options like contacts, companies, or deals, depending on where you need this information to live. This step is important because it determines which records will have access to your new property. With your object selected, look to the upper right corner and click the button labeled Create Property. A pop-up menu will appear below it, and from there choose the option that says Create Manually. This gives you full control over every aspect of the property you're building. You'll now be on the new property page. Here you'll need to fill in several required fields, including the property label, object type, groups, and a description. The property label is especially important because this is how the property will appear to anyone viewing or editing records in your CRM. Make it clear and descriptive so your team knows exactly what information belongs there. After that, select the field type that best matches the kind of data you're collecting. HubSpot offers various field types like text, number, date picker, dropdown, and more. Choose the one that fits your needs and fill in any additional required information based on the field type you selected. Finally, click Next or directly hit Create to finalize and save your new custom property. Your property is now live and ready to use across the object type you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.